So there will be brighter days. So there will be brighter days, my friend. So there will be brighter days. So don't you fret, your life isn't over yet. There are days when I feel so alone. My body's aching and my soul is cold. Grown old, I feel like breaking up with this new world. But I have some hope and I have some light. I feel like fairness missed me on his way. Cause all I've seen are painful, stormy days. I say, even when my path is filled with dirt, I got some hope and I will push on. Hey! So there will be brighter days. So there will be brighter days, my friend. So there will be brighter days. So don't you fret, your life isn't over yet. Let me tell you when I am the most honest. It's when you see my face lack the most polish. Even when I put a mask on, it won't work. The struggles inside will show through like dirt. Spots on the car if you don't wax right. Is it my fault or do I just lack sight? Maybe I just struggle with the shallow vision. But one thing, 5 brighter days, that's the mission. Unaccomplished if you got bad friends, giving you up to find ways to better ends. I don't know about you, but I got this God who will never leave me through the pain that I got. Whatever you believe, we share one thought, to get love and give out the love that we got. Yeah, whatever you believe, we share one thought, to get love and give out the love that we got. And so we sing.